Keeley is here. Looks a bit grim there behind you. A bit nicer for the weekend?
Absolutely, yes. Improving into the weekend. But before then, we have got rather a grim afternoon. Conditions staying very similar. It's grey, it's cloudy, and there's even a little bit of dampness out there as well. Now, low pressure close to the UK for the weekend. But in between those weather fronts on both Saturday and Sunday, we've got some sunshine. Overnight rain into Monday. And then through next week, it picks up again with high pressure dominating once again. So it is very cloudy out there. Poor visibility. Some places have stayed in mist and fog all morning long and will continue to do so for this afternoon as well. And the cloud is low enough and thick enough to produce a little bit of drizzle in places as well. So possibly a little brightness in one or two spots, but generally staying overcast. But it's not cold. Temperatures above average for the time of year, getting up to around 15 or 16 degrees. So through this evening, we've got a little bit of patchy light rain and drizzle moving northwards. Behind it, the air much clearer, so a fine night to come with long, clear spells. Perhaps a little bit of patchy mist in one or two spots, but nothing extensive, and temperatures falling back to around 7 or 8 degrees. So tomorrow, a fine start to the day with some spells of sunshine, and for most of the day it does look very nice. We might see a little bit more cloud just creeping into eastern parts, but for most of us it does look like a dry and a fine day with some good spells of sunshine. Temperatures not as high, but feeling pleasant in the sunshine, getting up to 14 degrees, which is still a smidge above average for the time of year. On Sunday, a cooler day, but with plenty of sunshine. Later in the day, cloud increasing into the west. There'll be overnight rain into Monday. Monday, not a great day, but the rest of the week looks nice.
Glad to hear it. Thanks very much.
And it's been a cloudy, grey and damp day for many of us, but the promise of brighter skies over the weekend, some sunshine for both days. I'll be back later in the programme with all the details.
Here, Keeley, as the song goes, bring me sunshine.
Yes, just for you, Amanda. I absolutely will. I mean, it's not been pleasant today, has it? An improvement for the weekend, I promise, because this was how today started, on a grey and misty note. And I'm afraid that's how the day progressed as well. Some places stayed in that mist and fog all day long with really poor visibility. And yes, I know we've visited the same place twice, but it seems that 2, if not 3, of our weather watchers were all in the same place taking these misty photographs this morning. So Snowy was out there as well. So it's nice to see you all sending them in together. So a friendship there from Weather Watchers. You can get your pictures coming into the Weather Watchers page. I'm sure there were friends before Weather Watchers. Or you can send us the pictures on social media as well. Instagram, Keeley.Donovan. So yeah, an improvement, thank goodness, after that grey, misty day today. We've got some dry and fine weather to come through the weekend. Tomorrow looks pleasant, and as does Sunday as well. So low pressure close to the UK, but by day on Saturday some sunshine, by day on Sunday some sunshine, then clouding over with this band of rain affecting things overnight into Monday. Monday it'll be showery, so not a great day on Monday, but then actually next week things improve. High pressure builds in once again, so a lot of fine and settled weather to come. There's been a lot of cloud today. Visibility really poor throughout the day. You can just make out this thicker cloud to the south. That's some light rain and drizzle pushing northwards through this evening. Behind it, clearer skies, so a lovely night developing, starry skies, a little bit of shallow mist later, and temperatures at 7 or 8 degrees. Let's have a quick look at those high water times then. In Scarborough at 1:15 and 17 minutes past 1 in Filey. So we'll start the day with plenty of sunshine. Any shallow mist will quickly lift, and it does look like a lovely dry and fine day with some good spells of autumnal sunshine. A little bit more cloud perhaps just drifting into parts of South Yorkshire and East Yorkshire at times, but generally it looks dry and fine with temperatures at around 14 or 15 degrees, so still slightly above average for the time of year. A gentle breeze coming in from the southwest. And then on Sunday, dry and fine with some sunshine. More cloud in the northwest later, and it'll cloud over by evening with rain spreading eastwards. Showery on Monday, and then high pressure builds next week, Amanda.
And you asked me to remind you about a reminder.
The clocks go back. The clocks go back on Sunday at 2 a.m.
Beautifully done. I am going to forget.
Thank you.